Welcome to Tech World with Bulcha. In this video, we're going to learn how to use AI effectively using Google's multimodal model, Gemini Omni. Instead of getting random or unpredictable outputs, you'll learn a simple three-step framework to control AI video, audio, and text generation with precision.
Most people get bad results from AI tools because they're relying strictly on single text prompts. Gemini Omni is an any-to-any multimodal model. That means it accepts text, images, audio, and video together as an input. When you feed the model visual and audio context alongside your text, the AI doesn't have to guess what you want.
Step 1. Use multi-input prompting. Instead of typing a long description of a character or product, upload a reference photo.
Add a text instruction explaining the scene, and attach a voice sample if you need specific audio. Gemini Omni processes all three inputs simultaneously to create an accurate, synchronized output.
If you're finding this practical breakdown helpful, hit the subscribe button on TechWorld Hub. We publish straight-to-the-point tutorials on AI, programming, and web development every week.
2. Use conversational editing. You don't need to regenerate from scratch if the output isn't perfect. With Gemini Omni, every prompt builds on the last one.
If you want to change a setting, swap a wardrobe, or retime an action, simply give a follow-up text prompt. The model keeps the subject and character consistent across edits.
Step 3. Define strict parameters and constraints. Tell the AI what not to do. Specify visual style, aspect ratios, lighting parameters, and clip durations.
Setting clear boundaries prevents the model from hallucinating or introducing unwanted visual noise. To summarize, combine multiple reference inputs, refine your clips using conversational prompts, and set strict output boundaries.
If you liked the video, please subscribe to Tech World with Bulcha for more clean tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.